Hey guys, what's up? Isaac here. Welcome back to another episode of All Round Review. So this is the Realme Buds Air 2 and I've been using this guy for quite some time now. Realme has been in the Bluetooth AirPod business for a while and they've been doing well in terms of price tag and quality. With no further ado, let's get started. The Realme Buds 2 is packed with active noise cancellation, transparency mode, 25 hours total playback time including the charging case, 10 minutes charge for 120 minutes playback, 88 millisecond super low latency gaming mode, that's awesome guys, and 10mm hi-fi bass boost drivers. The packaging is very compact and doesn't look too cheap. Opening the box, you're greeted with the AirPods itself in a mirror plastic material. You have the warranty card and user manual. Also there is a USB Type-C to Type-A charging cable with two extra small, medium and large ear tips. The charging case is made from mirror plastic finish and it doesn't feel cheap, but it attracts a lot of fingerprints quickly. It holds the AirPods securely with strong magnets and doesn't fall off under intense shaking. It has LED in the front which turns on whenever the case is opened and blinks while charging, and also a USB-C charging port underneath. The AirPods are lightweight and with an ear design that is very comfortable to wear for a very long period of time. They fit very well and wouldn't fall off during outdoor and other kind of workouts. Touch controls are very responsive and accidental touches are very rare. We'll get back into the control options later on in this video. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please smash that subscribe button. Alright, first, loudness is not going to be a problem in any kind of condition, especially with volume enhancement feature. These AirPods are the loudest I've used this year. The sound is evenly distributed, stereo effect is wide enough, the mids and highs are very clear. Considering the price, you're getting the best buy for your money here. The excitement goes away when it's time for you to enjoy your bass. The bass is like a 6/10 if I'm to rate it. Not really punchy, but activating the bass boost plus would do justice to it. The AirPods do feature in-ear detection, which pauses and plays back your audio when you have it off or on. Mic quality is loud and clear, no complaints here whatsoever. For the noise cancellation and transparency mode, I would say they work but not really effective. I wouldn't complain based on the price point. Gaming mode works as advertised, as the latency is almost not noticeable while playing games like Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG. Video playback works with no latency at all. With the Realme app, you can control the AirPods and also have the capability to make some customizations. Ability to toggle between noise cancellation, normal mode and transparency mode. There is option to change sound effects between bass boost plus and dynamic and bright. I always have bass boost plus on as the bass is not really punchy out of the box. Sadly, there is no option to customize EQ like you have on other AirPods products like Soundcore. Also, there is a volume enhancement feature. This increases the volume level massively and it's useful while listening to music or on a phone call in a noisy environment. Other options include in-ear detection, auto answer, ability to customize the AirPods touch actions which can be set for almost everything you need except the volume control. That's been it guys. If you enjoyed this video, do well to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. I'm your host Isaac. See you guys in another episode of All Round Review. Peace out.